windy last night here in Spain. It's going to get windier, so I wanted to get the panels fixed yesterday. So they're all looking good. Got 4 more lying down here. Sometimes when you actually come out into the wind, it's not as bad as you thought it would be. It's like on a boat. You get outside, or you sail with the storm. It's not actually that bad. You go with the weather. So, all the boys are looking good up here. Sun's just coming up. I can hear things when I'm sleeping. My Apple Watch says I haven't slept very well. That's because I'm used to sleeping with one eye open when there's bad weather. It's sunny though.